what point did you realize that sleep apnea was way common than people thought?
Extensive snoring that happens daily, very loud snoring, definitely shows that there is some underlying breathing disorder during sleep. Now, you look around, how many people have such an issue? I don't think it needs very fancy mathematics or extensive statistics to really understand that sleep apnea or sleep related breathing disorders is a big problem.